Bitcoin is struggling to find real-world applications. It seems the weight of the world rests firmly on Bitcoin, or at least the weight of the cryptocurrency world, that is. And now, it is facing perhaps its biggest ever crisis. A decade ago, Bitcoin was launched. Now in that decade, it has made a few people rich, especially those that mined it or bought Bitcoin early on, or those that opened exchanges, but it hasn't really done much else. Bitcoin would have gone bust if it was a business. Here's the huge problem with Bitcoin. It still hasn't got any real-world applications. Sure, the blockchain technology is excellent and it's used across a wide range of industries, but Bitcoin itself is all but useless. People don't use it to buy things, unless they're buying things that they shouldn't buy. Because Bitcoin costs a lot to transact, with making it very unattractive as a currency. After all, why would anyone use Bitcoin when your normal currency costs nothing and your payment is processed in a fraction of a second? Instead, Bitcoin operates as a commodity in the same way as gold or diamonds does. People invest in it and hold on to it, hoping that they would one day make a killing. If Bitcoin were a business whereby investors wanted security and regular returns, the investors' confidence would have run out long ago. Bitcoin is mostly propped up now by amateur traders who have heard stories about a friend of a friend who made a fortune with Bitcoin. The Bitcoin dream is crumbling. You may have noticed the price of Bitcoin is dropping drastically, and as we welcome in 2020, there are many cryptocurrencies that are promising, exciting, and worth investing in. Bitcoin is none of those things. It is a cryptocurrency that was built on the idea that one day the world would adopt it as a cryptocurrency. A decade since its launch, and that dream or idea actually looks further away than it did when the cryptocurrency was launched. No matter how innovative Bitcoin developers try to be, there is one big barrier that is hindering Bitcoin every step of the way. The battle to fix Bitcoin. Now, for years, Bitcoin developers have been working to try and make the currency more accessible, cheaper to transact, and faster. And in those years, it is fair to say they haven't really been able to deliver on that, and is one of the main reasons why Bitcoin has so many successful forks and spin-off currencies that address these fundamental issues with the main currency. One thing is for sure, Bitcoin needs to really make drastic and effective changes as well as penetrate the financial markets in a way that is meaningful this year. If it doesn't, not only does it risk losing out to altcoins that are fast catching up, but it also risks becoming obsolete. Then the only way that people will want to own Bitcoin are antique dealers looking for a bit of history. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. Do you think that Bitcoin is going to eventually have any real world applications? Or do you think that altcoins are going to be taking over? Let me know in the comment section below. I'm interested to make a couple videos about that as well. So if you want to see those videos that are coming up and you want to see more future videos like this, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell down below.